Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this brief video today. Now, what I want to do is I want to talk very briefly about the idea of focusing, okay? And this is one of the thoughts, one of the many lessons that I have in my newsletter. And I'm going to invite you, as a matter of fact, I invite you to subscribe to my newsletter if you have a desire to make more money, if you have a desire to have more freedom, and if you have a desire to have more fun, okay? And I'll share a little bit more about that in after I share this thought with you, okay? So there is a quote that I wrote down some time ago, but I found that it is true. It is a nugget of truth, and it is this: you get what you focus on. Okay, so focus on what you want. I've got to say that one more time. You get what you focus on. So focus on what you want. You know, if you want anything, if you really want anything in life, you've got to keep your eyes on the prize, okay? Now, focus is one of those, it's a key ingredient to achieving the life of your dreams. And I just wonder if you've ever taken some time out to really think about what your dream life looks like, okay? Staying focused is becoming aware of everything that takes you out of being focused. And you know for yourself, something's always coming along, okay, to get you out of focus, to get you out of, walking in the kind of life that you want to walk in, get you out of stopping you from doing the business that you thought you wanted to do. Actually, you wanted to do it, but you got out of focus. Okay. You understand what I'm saying? So, and here's the thing, things will, and things do come into our lives to cause us to lose sight of our dreams and desires, aspirations and goals. And sometimes, situations and circumstances and even, our emotions can cause us to lose focus. And sometimes we have to take time and think about, well, what are those things that go on in my life that get me out of focus, that get me out of moving forward in my life? What are those things? And so we have to identify what those things are, become aware when, they try to encroach upon our lives. You see, there are times when we lose focus because at some level of our subconscious thinking, we resist the action we should be taking. Wow. Think about that for a moment. Sometimes we're not even aware of what's going on subconsciously. And we don't do something because we have this subconscious thing going on that's hindering us, that's stopping us from moving forward in our lives. We have these things that's stopping us in our subconscious thinking, that stop us. And here's the thing: there are a lot of people who want change, realize that change is necessary, but you know what? And you can study this out for yourself. Most people, generally speaking, resist change, positive change for their lives. They resist. Why? Because people generally just do not like change. And I used to be one of those persons, those people. Okay. But I realized that I can't stay in that state, that if I'm going to do something, the things I want to do in my life, I want to reach my goals, I want to dream my dream life, okay, then I realized something, that I've got to become a person of change. I've got to understand change. I've got to become a change agent, and can't be afraid of change, okay? You see, sometimes we actually resist change. Why? Again, because we don't like, normally, naturally, generally speaking, most people don't like change. Okay, even when change is necessary, even when change is positive, even will change and will make a tremendous difference in our lives. And you know, when this happens now, when we resist change, okay, we sabotage our own success. All right, okay, so that's a thought for this video, and I want to invite you to sign up for my Make Money Online and Personal Growth newsletter. We've got a lot of things that we're going to be talking about and sharing about personal growth and development. As a matter of fact, okay, my newsletter, we deal with motivation and inspiration, encouragement, personal transformation, okay, information, mindset development information. We've got business ideas and tips, okay, and it's absolutely free to sign up. So if you're looking to build a home-based business, this would be something to have in your arsenal, okay? Plus, we're gonna give you some information about the business that we're business and the businesses that we are doing, okay? So you can sign up for free. I don't know if I said that, but I'm saying it now. You can sign up for free, and you can unsubscribe at any time. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link in the description area of this video so you can get signed up, okay? And check out what we're talking about, check out what we're doing, check out what we're saying, okay? Again, if you want more money, more freedom, more fun, get signed up today. I'm Terry Brown, and I'm wishing you a blessed and awesome day today. Bye now. Oh, did I say grab the link? Yeah, I hope I did. Grab the link. I get going, man. I get going because I'm talking. But grab the link in the description area of this video. Okay, bye-bye.